Hi everyone. In this video we will go over how we can make better use of the control tooltip and an alternative way to show the content that we want to show in the tooltip using a label, and then we can program it. The second part of this video we will learn how we can do conditional formatting to show background color based on the level of risk, for example. So just to let you know, this form is not ready, it's not usable at all. It is not formatted in a way that can be delivered to the end user. So this is just for the sake of illustration and helping you with the functionalities. So now let's see that if we want to utilize. So one student actually sent me this email and they said that they wanted to put this one as a tooltip, so this content, for the ambulatory aid. So to do that, you will need actually to go or select this guy, and then where it says control tip text, you can just put all of this. So now it doesn't allow us to put all of this. So a way to get around this is actually to create a label. So I can just include the label and insert it there, and then paste this content that I got from that I got from here. So now let's say that this is what I have. Just make sure that it is. Now as you can see, it shows that there is a green light in the top corner, which says basically that we want it's not associated. So we want to associate this label with a control. So the control that I want to associate this label with is the ambulatory aid. So in this case I will just show all controls, and then ambulatory aid is selected. And before I do anything, I need to give this label kind of a meaningful name. So in this case I will call it LBL and then ambulatory. So I'll just copy this guy because I need it to program it. Now what I really need to do is I need to highlight the ambulatory aid control, and then I need to go to event tab while I am highlighting ambulatory aid control. So the event that I want to use here is the focus, on focus. So got focus versus lost focus. So this will make it easier for me. So when the mouse is, or this control is focused, then it will show this label. And before actually I do anything, let me I select this control, or the label control, and then I will go to all, and then where it says visible, I don't want it to be visible. So, and I need to control when I want it to be visible versus not. So I will make sure again that I'm selecting the control, ambulatory aid control, go to event. So on got focus, I need to create a code. So I'll go and then go code builder, and then I will insert the name LBL ambulatory aid. So again, it has to match the name of the label that I gave it here. So this is why I copied it and paste, and then I say dot on focus. So let's see, on focus. So on got, or actually I will just put it label ambulatory dot visible, because I want it to show, if it is on focus, then I want it to show true. So now this should do it. So I'll say yes to all, and then let me close this. Now when I activate, so now I'll just go with the tab. As soon as I am actually focused on the bit, you will see that it appears. Now a problem is if I unfocus, it's still there and it's taking space, and I don't want it to be there. So as soon as, what I want to do is, as soon as it goes, this control is not on focus, then I want this one label to disappear. So to do that, I'll go back to control event and then lost focus, and then I can do code builder, and then I can actually copy this guy, and just this time I will put it false. So as soon as it loses focus, I want it to be false, means not visible. So this is what I have now, and you can do that for the rest if you are interested in, and this should do it. So now you saw that. As soon as I lost, now I'm on focus, it shows. If it is lost focus, then it is gone. So I hope this helps, and good luck to you with this part. Now, conditional formatting. Let's say that I want to use the red, yellow, and green for level of risk. So I will do one example here, and I will let you do the rest. But so for this one, I need to look at this subform here, and I need this, for example, this control to be conditionally formatting. So I will select that control, and then format, conditional formatting. I will add a new rule. So if this value, the value of this equals to, then I will put in quotation mark, let's say no risk, and then I will close. So if it is no risk, I will put it black, and then the background I want it to be green, say. Then you can add new rule and then do the rest. So whether if it says low to high risk or high risk, and then you can do the colors. So now I'll just say okay, activate this guy, and then when I move on here, when it says no risk, now I have green color. So you get the idea, and good luck to you with the rest of the examples.